So I'm just freely walking in the street because there are no cars. So I can go to town. I am legend. Look at that down there. Oh my God. This car is a bandit. Look at that man down there. He climbing them hills. I'm finna fall. It's crazy. I ain't walking all the way down there. I ain't finna get my big ass on no hill. Shit. Look at the floor. I'm scared. I might start again. My ass now. I wonder if they just like got out the car and just walked through that shit, or is they still in there? They might be still in there. I ain't walking all the way down there. Let me turn around right now. Look at that wind. Take my ass down there. Woo! Oh, it's gonna start again. Oh my God. I'm getting scared. Time to go in the house. Fuck that. I can't believe like the streets is like abandoned. Oh my God. This is crazy. There's one car. Motherfuckers out here with bags. They went to the store. I forgot to see the car. Look at that. I'm scared. Look at the windows. This racket, they ain't got no heat. My mama used to live in that building. No, they ass cold. Oh, look, there's one nothing nosy neighbor taking pictures just like I'm doing. My fat ass tired. I just got through eating. Best way to walk off some food. Come out in the blizzard. Well, they at the blizzard. I wish I had somebody to play with me. It's kind of boring being out here by yourself talking to the camera. At least we parked under the building. I should go to the park. No, I ain't going to the park. This is crazy. You can't even see none in the front of my building but snow. Like somebody could jump out their window and land on that hill of snow. It's crazy. And it's still windy as shit. I'm just gonna stop this and take a picture.